In Wisconsin, we like to say we have two seasons, winter and road construction. But highway maintenance doesn't stop when the snow begins to fall, and Wisconsin has a unique way of keeping the roads clear.
The unique difference between Wisconsin winter maintenance and any other state is that in Wisconsin, the counties, the 72 counties, provide the winter maintenance for the state of Wisconsin.
Unlike any other state, our counties have a routine maintenance agreement with the Department of Transportation, which allows us to utilize the labor, equipment, and materials the county already possesses and put them to use in maintaining our state highway system.
It is the model that most states want to aspire to get to. It's just how do you get to that model where you have a partnership like we do.
Because of this partnership, Wisconsin roads are cleared more efficiently and at a lower cost to taxpayers.
The winter weather does impact everybody's lives dramatically. So with this service model, we pride ourselves on a reaction time to make sure the employees in each county that are responsible for the state maintenance can get out very quickly and onto the highways to provide that plowing service as best as practical.
All 72 counties are in close communication to ensure all sections of our state roads are well maintained.
So really focusing on that challenge of making sure when the public is driving from county to county that we have a uniform level of service through that highway. Because if you're driving on a highway and you're going from one county to another, you don't want to have a road that's completely bare and treated well, and then the next section of road in another county is snow covered and icy.
But winter maintenance doesn't just include snow and ice removal. New technologies allow for the pre-treating of roads before storms.
We always challenge ourselves to provide more innovation and efficiencies in the services we provide.
And now you know you're Wisconsin.